Hello, we are going to continue with power factor. Power factor is a cosine of angle between voltage and current. In electrical, we have three types of loads. We have a resistive load, inductive load, and capacitive load. The resistive load is a device which converts electrical energy into heating energy. This resistive load has its power factor is unity because current and voltage are in phase as shown in diagram. Inductive load is a device that stores energy in the form of magnetic field. The power factor of inductive load is 0 because current is lagging the voltage 90 degrees as shown in the following diagram. The third one also is capacitive load, is a device that stores the charges. The power factor of capacitive load is 0 because current reaches the voltage 90 degrees as shown in diagram. Purely resistive load means has power factor of 1. Purely capacitive load power factor is 0. Purely inductive load power factor is also 0. Let's go in the circuits. We have RL circuit means is resistive load and inductive load in series. The circuit power factor is between 0 and 1 lagging, where we calculate it by cos phi equal resistance over impedance. Impedance is equal R square plus XL square in square root. XL equal 2PFL. Another circuit is RC circuit. Power factor is between 0 and 1 but is leading. Cos phi equal resistance over impedance. Impedance is equal the square root of R square plus XC square. XC equal 1 over 2P FC. Thank you to watch. See you later. Please subscribe then to continue with our electrical lecturing. Thank you. See you.